Hey Mustangs, today I'm going to take a few moments to walk you through how to sign in to Google Classroom and join your teacher's course. So I'm going to start in my home screen by choosing Google Classroom. And when I do so, it's going to prompt me to sign in. I want you to remember that it's incredibly important to use your Andrews ISD Google account when signing into Google Classroom. That is your student ID number or lunch number for the username and password. For today, I'm going to sign into our test student account just to show you what that will look like. Once you have typed in the student ID, you're going to click Next, and it's going to prompt you to enter the password, which is also the student ID number. And then you will tap Next a second time. Again, I want to remind you that if you're using a personal Google account, you may experience some glitches in your assignments and courses. So if you ever have questions as to which account you're logged into, up in the top right-hand corner of your screen, you can tap on the logo and it will show you the account that your Google Classroom is currently logged into. If you are logged into a personal account from another year or another district, you can always choose the option to manage your Google account, remove the private account, and add your Andrews ISD account. This is going to help you move through Google Classroom a little easier. So once you're logged in with your Andrews ISD account, you're going to take a look at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen where there's a blue plus sign. If I tap on that plus sign, it's going to prompt me for a class code. Now I'm going to use one of our test codes today just to show you what that looks like, but you should have received your class code from your teacher. If you have questions about the class code to join a course in Google Classroom, be sure to contact your teacher through Parent Square, and they'd be happy to share that with you. So once you have the class code typed in the top right-hand corner, you're going to want to tap Join. It may take a few minutes or seconds, but once you are there, you will notice that it takes me directly to that course. If I toggle back to the home screen, all of the classes that you have enrolled in Google Classroom will be listed here in the home screen. So tune back in for another video on how to navigate Google Classroom and the assignments that are posted there.